At Optimum, we are focused on helping our clients achieve the highest level of team collaboration, content management and sharing, and operational visibility with their employees and customers, whether they're working remotely, in the office, or on the front line. If your organization needs to automate manual processes and digitize paper forms, turn your data into insightful KPI dashboards, manage and report on projects at scale, and manage and share company content and documents, you need Optimum. We offer an advanced portfolio of software solutions and services that include cloud and Office 365, project management solutions, business intelligence, process automation and RPA, application and modernization, and business consulting services. We also provide customized solutions for various industries and companies of all sizes: construction and engineering, manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, energy, finance and legal, and many others. We get the job done the right way by our team of certified experts, unique blend of industry experience and IT expertise, exceptional customer experiences, and strong partnerships with industry-leading software platforms. Contact Optimum to connect with our experts and discuss your project needs and goals.